a lot of people want to know, how do you install those springs in a tumble track, right? And you get to those overstretched springs, you know what to do. So what you do is you take a screwdriver, you stick it right there in that little hole, the eye, and then you hook it around the spring. Now, you need to look at how the springs are wound and notice how it's wrapped around the screwdriver. Okay, so watch this. Just use a little leverage, and then see, it's just going to drop right in. I did it with one hand. Okay, now let's just take that spring out again. So if I want to use an unsophisticated way to take spring out, I just grab a hammer, hook it in there, just like that, and I just pull, whoop, and it just comes right out, just like that. And then, again, grab my handy dandy screwdriver. This is all done while holding the camera. Let's see if I can hook it on here. Boopity boop. Okay, there you go. Stick it in. Notice the side of the spring I'm on. Notice how the spring wants to look like it wants to drop right in. There it is. Pop. In. Easy. Screwdrivers, hammers. These are not certified tools by the manufacturer, but I've been doing it that way for years and saves a ton of time.